All right. Anything else you want to? So what do you think, sweetie? What do you want to do for the show today?
Oh, geez, I don't know. I haven't put much thought into it. You just want to check the microphone real quick?
Check 1, 2. Check 1, 2. How do you do? Nah.
All right. Yeah, so Eric's going to start a podcast.
Eric Reed?
Uh-huh. Can you believe my cousin Eric is going to start his own podcast? You know what he's going to call it?
What's he gonna call it?
Smoke Signals. I think that or Smoke Signals, the Smoke Signals podcast or something like that. He's ripping off the movie title. I think that's a good move. I mean, let's face it. We've sort of ripped off Smoke Signals too. Hey, Victor, where's your dad? Nah. All right, so today's, well, welcome back to the show, everyone, by the way. My name is Nana BOOZHOO, and this over here, this is Natasha. You want to say something, sweetie? You want to talk to the people?
BOOZHOO, Gaktina! How you doing? Welcome back to the show.
Yeah. And so it's Friday morning, and that means we need to film, or we need to record a spot for KBXE Community Radio in lovely BEMIDJIGAMAAG. So I wonder what should the word of the day be?
I don't know. Are you really recording this?
Yeah, I don't care. How long is it already? Okay, it's already over 2 minutes. Nah, this isn't a very good show, is it? All right. Well, maybe today's show we could just all right, here's the word. BEMIDJIGAMAAG. BEMIDJIGAMAAG NINDONJIBAA. I'm from Bemidji. Bemidji is where I am from. BEMIDJIGAMAAG NINDONJIBAA. Let's make that the Ojibwe phrase of the day for the radio spot. And we'll do something funnier later. I just wanted to see. I know the lighting is pretty good this morning. So yeah, BEMIDJIGAMAAG. Here's the story. And since we're just sort of riffing right now, and I probably won't even use this as a show.
It's already getting kind of long, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. All right, never mind. Watch my cousin's podcast. Anyway, Smoke Signals Podcast. Today's BOOZHOO Not a BOOZHOO is brought to you by nothing from Eric Reed and the Smoke Signals Podcast. Now, all right, let's see what this looks like. Hey, why don't you send us out and then tell me to sign up?
Oh, okay. Hey, just want to say, me quench, gonna wabi egg. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, Not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Not a BOOZHOO. And I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minawa. Hoa.